Hello everyone, welcome to One Stop Mathematical Solutions. Today we are going to see about function. So let us take two sets A and B. Okay, so F is nothing but a unique rule which associate every element of A to a unique element of B. Okay, every element of A to a unique element of B. Then F is called as a function from set A to set B. Okay, and we write the function as F from A to B. So A is called as a domain of a function and B is called as the codomain of the function. Range set or the image of a function. Okay, so this is nothing but the set of all f of x such that x is in A, and this is denoted by f of A. So for all the elements in A, the set of all elements that is mapped in B, only the mapped elements, okay, only that elements form the range set. Let us see some results on functions. Let f from x to y be a function and take A, B subsets of x. Okay, we have x here and A and B somewhere here. Okay, and y here. The function f is here. First result is if A is a subset of B, this implies f of A is a subset of f of B. Okay. Second result, f of A union B equal to f of A union f of B. Third one, please note very carefully that f of A intersection B is not equal to f of A intersection f of B. For intersection it is not true, but f of A intersection B is contained in f of A intersection f of B. So let us try to give a counter example why this thing doesn't work. Okay, counter example, take the function f from R to R and define it as f of x equal to x square. Okay, take the subset A as the closed interval -2, 0 and the subset B as closed interval 0, 2. Then A intersection B is nothing but a singleton 0. So f of singleton 0, that will also contain 0, right? So this is our f of A intersection B. Okay, what about the right side? F of A will be equal to, this thing is A, right? So this will be 0 to 4 and this is also equal to f of B because both sets will be mapped to 0, 4. So f of A intersection f of B, the right hand side will give us 0, 4. But these two are not equal, right? So only the inclusion is true, that is f of A intersection B is contained in f of A intersection f of B. We will also see when this will become equal to. Okay, thank you, see you next time.